I'm gonna show you what I carry in my bag every single day to university.
Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl Peace, back again with another video.
It's already, since it's reading week and it's already the end of the almost the end of the reading week, I might as well shoot a video on what's in my university bag.
So heavy.
Every single day that I take every single day as a commuter, meaning that I have to wear this 24/7 to school and back from school. So let's go through what this is going to be showcasing today. This bag, I don't remember where I got it from. It was from Amazon. Oh, I can't really remember. Okay, first thing is first, we're gonna start with the accessories on the backpack. Accessories are from Shein, so just so you know. First one is going to be the side zips. There's a side zip right here, and there is a accessory of a plushie. After like a few weeks in all, the bead like removed. I'm gonna put a picture of how it's supposed to look like. It's like silver, and I don't really know where I put it. Well, not it came off the glue. It came off the glue. And then the next part is my zipper for the top side. I've got like this music stuff right here, and I really like it. I love it so much. But the only downside of it is that after a couple of weeks, give me 1 second. Oh my goodness, it's like the headphones that was supposed to be there came off, so that's a little bit sad, but I could also put it back, so I'm gonna put it back like later before I get back to school again. And then on the back side, I've got like a shrimp, whatever it's supposed to be. Yeah, a fish and a ball at the same time. I really like this. The theme I was going with, since my bag was white, I wanted like something silver to like pop it off as well, like a chrome kind of aesthetics for my bag. And then I think that's a little bit all the keychains, because I literally have only 3 zippers, 1, 2, and the other one is at the side. So I really want a bunch of keychains on it, but I can't because it's limited. So where should we start from? Honestly, we're gonna start with the side pockets. So this bag has 2 side pockets, which is very nice, but at the same time, because I have a lot of things in my bag, it's quite hard for me to put stuff in here because then it's too tight. Okay, for this left side, I believe, or right side, I have, oh my gosh, it's literally like, oh my goodness, we're gonna be saying trust today. Well, yeah, this is Tim Hortons. We're not gonna look at that. And then I've got like my hairbrush. I also like have another one, but well, I'm not trying to do that right now. But yeah, for the other side of the bag, I've got, I think this is where the headphones is, but I can't reach it because it's too tight. Now that we're done both sides, we're gonna start with the front zipper, the front pockets. So it has a front pocket. Well, it's just like a button, so you can literally just like move it and then call it a day. And in this zipper, I put a fan, which is so nice because sometimes it gets a little bit hotter and it gets cold. It goes all the way to 5, so I love it for like, even though it's getting colder, but sometimes it gets too hot. This comes in handy. I also got the stand as well. I got the mini stand as well. The next zip that this bag has is the back side. Well, this zip is a little bit like, there's nothing here, like a paper in here if I wanted. And then on this side, like after this, there's like another place to put like stuff, and I just have like random papers from classes that I do go to. So we're done with those ones. Those are like the side quest ones, but we're gonna go into the main ones for today. And of course, the zipper. So first thing is first, look at the bag. The bag is literally so full. Like, so the first thing that I pulled out is my brush. So the first part is this mini side quest of a thing, which is my 6-inch laptop. My 16-inch MacBook Pro is literally like, it's not heavy, but if you carry it for a very long time, it's heavy enough. For back to school, I tried sticking up some of these things. I didn't really stick it because I was like, okay, it's gonna be fine if I just leave it in here. But it moved around like after moving in my bag, and I was like, maybe I should have just sticked it. So maybe later on I'm gonna just have to take off the sticker and just stick it on my laptop, but then I don't know if it's gonna cause any trouble with it. And this compact is very nice. It's very like open. After my laptop, I take like a couple. So I have 1 book that's for 1 class. This book is for like, all my classes. Just 2 notebooks that I needed. Don't really want to carry a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna just carry a lot of things. I don't think there's like space for anything else. So at the same time, I've got my planner because I've got art classes in one semester, so I do need to plan my day. We're done with the books. I'm not sure if you can't see it, but we're done with the books in the other compartment. The other compartment is a little bit bigger. Doesn't really give that much like vibes like you might be looking for. But anywhoosies, first thing is first is my makeup pouch. I take this everywhere, like everywhere I go. I got this as a pencil case because I had a makeup pouch, but then I wasn't sure if it's gonna fit. It didn't fit it, so I got this because it was so cute. It was a makeup, it's a pencil case, but it's so cute to be packed as a pencil case go, guys. Like really, look at it. Look at it. I want to get another one, but like look at it. In this makeup pouch is everyday essentials that you definitely need. Deodorante. I love this every single day as it's hot outside. I take a lip liner as well, a pressed powder. Most of the time my face gets oily a little bit, or maybe it's just a squid air after a long day. It gets a little bit oily and stuff. Even though I added a lot of spray, I still go with this just to like smooth it over. Really comes in handy. And then of course a couple of things, lip combo and a blush, which is Rare Beauty in red. And then I take a hand sanitizer, which I haven't really been able to use in a while, so I mean I'm not even sure where to put it, but I just put it in this makeup pouch. And that's all I have for this bag. And then the next thing of course is my water bottle. I love this water bottle so much. It's like it keeps a cold water in for like such a long time. This is from Amazon, by the way. This smells, I don't even know what is in here. Like this is so random. I also take a perfume with me and I love this smell so much. It's vanilla. It smells so good. It reminds me of autumn, which is why I haven't got it in the first place. Yeah. Next thing I have is my pencil case. I got this and I love the way it looks. It's like so simple, not too much. And then I also got like a keychain for it. A keychain that says "Oh." So the only thing about this pencil case is that if I zip it to the end, everything falls out. So I mean, I don't really zip it to the end, but I zip it to like a reasonable amount. What I have here is a correction glue, just in case I make mistakes on a pen or something on paper. And then next I have like a couple of highlighters. The most ones I use is orange, pink, green, yellow, blue. This is the most I've used every single day. Most of the other things in this case I don't really use that much. I take like a mini tripod to like film. It comes in handy. It's so small and easy to carry around, just in case I want to like film something and there is no platform to do so, or there's nothing to hold it behind, and I can just use this to make it a little bit easier for everybody's life. Next that I always take in my bag is this case. In this case I was gonna use this as my makeup pouch, but then I was thinking about it and I was like, the pen, my lip liner that I do have is not going to fit in here, so I decided to use that one instead. I use it as like charger electronics. So I have here my power bank, which is a little bit small but it works. My charger for phone, chargers for laptop, and chargers for my headphones, so that it's like more concise and it's not like getting lost in my bag and I'm trying to find it, and I can just take this out and use it and then wrap it all back and put it back again. Like this is so useful. It gets everything organized and easy to carry. The next thing that must go into your bag that I'm always take every single day is a lotion.
I cannot go a day without not carrying a lotion.
This lotion is literally my signature smell at this point. There are two compartments that I do have. In this second pocket, I don't really keep anything in the other one, but in this other one that I do have, I keep my wallet in there and then I just put it there and I literally leave it there for like, I don't know. In this zipper I have my AirPods, but I think I took it out after like I came back and I was using it. But usually I put my AirPods here. I also like have these blue light glasses, which I really like. I got it from Fashion Nova. Haven't really like, you know, taken it out of wrapper, in which I actually need to like get like a case for, because I don't want it to break or anything. Staring in the glass like lights for a very long time is not fun at all. And then next but not the least, of course, you know, some breath organizer to give your mouth keep chewing, especially those people who drink coffee in the morning. This is for you, especially if you're hungry. Gum, if you just need something to chew on, gum. That's quite all that is in my bag. This is the bag. Just sad that this came off. Like, bro, could have lasted a little bit longer. But yeah, I love this bag so much. It fits my vibe, even though it's a little bit small, but I think it takes everything. You know, the bag that I want to get, like I want so badly for uni is the Samuel Ondo utility bag in a large. In what color? I think ivory. I think that's how you say the name. Anyways, you guys get what I mean. I really want that bag so bad. Samuel Ondo, if you guys are seeing this, you guys wanna sponsor the video? You guys wanna sponsor, you know? Anyways, guys, yeah, so that's all for my what's in my bag to university. And if you guys like this video, make sure you drop a comment, you know, leave a sub. So what's the most important things that you must carry in your everyday back to school? Comment down below, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.